What's going on, guys? Nick back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the highly requested video, how to front lever. So if you don't know how to front lever, or you're in the process of learning how to front lever, watch this video. I promise it will help. I'm going to show you the static progressions from easiest to hardest, and then I'm going to show you the dynamic progressions from easiest to hardest. I have a bunch of other videos as well that you can watch to help you progress with the front lever. However, these are the progressions that I've done from time to time that helped me eventually get that front lever. Now remember, this does take time. It takes a lot of time to build up the strength in your back and in your core and in your tendons and ligaments in order to hold that full front lever in a perfect straight line. So do not get frustrated. Remember, hit the progressions that are difficult for you, but still able to do them with good form. Hit the dynamics and the statics, and I promise you'll get there eventually, just like I did. That being said, I'm going to start with the statics and then take you through the dynamics, and hopefully this will help. Now, before I even get to the progressions, in every single progression, no matter what, when you're performing a front lever, you want to make sure you're pinching your back. Think about holding like a pencil in between your back, right? And having your shoulders depressed down, not elevated. So you can pinch your back and elevate your shoulders. That's not what we want though. You want to pinch and depress, right? So this way, my hands are at my waist. I'm keeping my core nice and tight, and I'll be able to hold that full front lever. So no matter what you're doing, think about pinching and depressing those shoulders. Keep that core nice and tight, and that will help in any progression you're doing. So first, you got your static progressions. We're gonna start with that tucked front lever. Pinch that back, knees all the way tucked to your chest. Then you got your advanced tucked, so your knees start to unfold from your body, and they're a little bit further out now. Then you have your one leg. One leg can be more difficult depending how far you stretch out that folded leg. If it's super tucked, it's easy. As you get further out, it only gets tougher. Then you have your straddle, legs spread apart. And then finally, you have your full front lever. Everything nice and straight, nice and tight. That is your front lever. So you can work on those static holds, whatever progression you're up to, along with these next dynamic workouts. First, you got ice cream makers. These are a bit easy. However, you could do them in any progression from full all the way down to tucked. Then you have your raises. You can do raises just up until parallel to the ground, or if you want to make it more difficult, you can bring your hips all the way up to the bar. Now you can do this in any progression as well. At the top, if you want to go into that full front lever, that's ideal. However, if you're not strong enough to do that yet, just go parallel to the ground. And if you want to get really fancy, you can do parallel to the ground, up to the bar, and then stop back at parallel as well. That is very difficult. However, one of my favorites. You also have your upside down deadlift. Again, this can be done in a straddle or a full. You also have different forms of kickouts, from tucked to advanced tucked, or even one leg switches. These are both effective. And last but definitely not least, my personal favorite, and I preach these, you should definitely be doing them even if you're not working on your front lever, tucked front lever pull-ups. As you get stronger, you'll be able to do this in a straddle, one leg, and eventually full. I'm still working on this myself. I cannot do it in a full yet. However, I'm doing a lot of tucked front lever pull-ups at the moment, trying to pull towards my waistline, really pinching my back. And if this is too difficult, straighten your legs. It makes it a little bit easier, but definitely do these and incorporate them into your workout. All right, guys, so those are the progressions that you can be doing in order to learn the front lever. From statics to dynamics, no matter what level you're at, you can do these workouts. And you can even throw a band on for the dynamics and the statics to help you if you're not ready for that next progression. I actually highly suggest doing that so that you can force yourself into the next progression and teach your body what it feels like to be in that position. This will help you build that muscle memory up, and eventually your muscles will know what it feels like and be able to do it without the band. So So again, I hope that helps. If you did like this video and you got something out of it, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Check me out on all other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. There's every single workout I know on there, me explaining the right way to perform it in under 1 to 2 minutes. And stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys in the next video.